Hi, hello, welcome. This is Amjad. Welcome to Amjad Concepts. ఈ రోజు 10th క్లాస్ రియల్ నెంబర్స్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 1.5 సెకండ్ బిట్ చూడబోతున్నాం. Here the problem is write the following expressions as log n and find their values. Here the first question is log 2 plus log 5. Here the question is we need to write this expression as log n and we need to find the value of given expression. Listen. Given expression is in the form of log a plus log b. We know that log a plus log b is log of a into b. Okay. Then log 2 plus log 5. Log 2 plus log 5 can be written as log of 2 into 5. Log of 2 5s are 10. We got the answer is log 10. Okay. Log n. Right in the form of log n. Okay, we got the answer is log 10. Okay, and find their values. What is the value of log 10? Listen, already I told you log 10. Here the base is 10. Okay, base em ivvaledu ante dani ardham endi 10 ani ardham. Log 10 base 10 value is 1. Why? Because we know that log a base a is equal to 1. So log 10 base 10 value is 1. In the same way here log a minus log b. Log a minus log b, log a by b. Okay. So it is like log a minus log b. We can write log a minus log b is log of a by b. Okay. Then here a means 16 by b means 2, 16 by 2 base 2. 2 1s are 2 4, 2 8. Okay, so log 8 base 2. We got log 8 base 2. Log 8, this 8 can be written as log 2 cube. 2 3 times, 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. Log 2 cube base 2. It is like log a to the power of m. What is the formula for log a to the power of m? Log a to the power of m equal to m log a. So log 2 cube can be written as 3 log 2 base 2. 3 coming here, 3 log 2 base 2. Log 2 base 2 value. Log 2 base 2 value 1. So 3 1s are 3. Why? Because we know that log a base a equal to 1. So log 2 base 2 equal to 1. 3 1s are 3. This is the process. Okay. If not, we can do like this also. 16 can be written as, okay, listen, we can write like this also. 16 can be written as log 2 power 4 base 2 minus log 2 base 2. If these two are the same, then the value is 1. Okay, another one. Log a to the power of m, m log a. So 4 log 2 base 2 minus 1. 4 into log 2 base 2 value 1 minus 1. 4 1s are 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 nothing but 3. We can do in this process also, in this method also. Okay. Next, into another one. 3 log 4 base 64. 3 log 4 base 64. Here m log a, it is like m log a. Formula for m log a is log a power m. Log a power m equal to m log a. In same way m log a equal to log a to the power of m. Okay, 3 right here. So log a to the power of m means log a to the power of m means 4 cube base 64. Log 4 cube nothing but 64. 4 4 ja 16, 16 4 ja 64. Base 64. Log 64 base 64. If these two are equal, then the value is 1. Why? Because log a base a equal to 1. Okay. Log a base a equal to 1. We can do like this also. Log a base b power 64 as 4 cube. 64 can be written as 4 cube. B power n. Log a base b power n 1 by n log a base b. So this 3 coming this side, 1 by 3, 3 cancel, then also you will get the same answer. Okay, next one, 2 log 3 minus 3 log 2. It is like m log a. In first step, m log a, nothing but log a power m. 2 log 3, it can be written as log 3 square. 2 coming this side, it becomes square. Minus 3 log 2, 3 become cube, so log 2 cube. Totally we got log 3 square minus log 2 cube. 3 square nothing but 9, 3 3s are 9, log 9 minus 2 cube. 2 cube nothing but 8. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Now here log a minus log b. What is the formula for log a minus log b? Log a minus log b, that equal to log a by b, right? Log a by b. So log 9 minus log 8 can be written as log 9 by 8. Log 9 by 8. So one, log 10 plus 2 log 3 minus log 2. Write this expression as log n and find the value. Here the question. Now log 10, write it as same. M log a, we know that m log a is equal to log a to the power of m. Log a power m nothing but m log a. So m log a can written as log 3 square minus log 2. Okay. Now log 10 plus log 9. 3 square, 3 3s are 9, okay, minus log 2. Okay, I took as these two as one group. Why? Because for these two we have the plus sign. It is like log a plus log b. Log a plus log b, log a into b. So a means here 10, b means 9, a into b, 10 into 9, minus log 2. How you wrote? By this formula, log a plus log b, that equal to log of a into b. Okay, right. Log 10 into 9, log 90. Log 90 minus log 2. Again, it is like log a minus log b. Log a minus log b, log a by b, right? So log a means 90 by b means 2, 90 by 2. Write down the formula, log a minus log b. Log a minus log b, that is log a by b. Okay, 2 ones are 245 times. So here we got a log 45 base 10. This is the answer. Log 45 base 10. 2 4s are 8, 1s remaining, 0 1 0 10, 2 5s are 10. We got the log 45. Okay. Evaluate each of the following in terms of x and y. If x is equal to log 3 base 2 and y is equal to log 5 base 2. Okay. Given expression log 15 base 2, we need to write this expression in terms of x and y. That is the condition. Listen, log 15 base 2, it is like log 15 can be written as 3 into 5 base 2. 3 5s are 15, so we can written as 3 into 5. Now it is like log a into b. What is log a into b? Log a into b is equal log a plus log b. Log a plus log b. So log 3 into 5 nothing but log 3 plus log 5. Base here 2, so write down base 2 base 2. Okay. Log a into b can be written as log a plus log b. So log 3 into 5 can be written as log 3 plus log 5 base 2. Log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2. Given that log 3 base 2 is x. Given that log 3 base 2 is x. So in this place we can write x plus log 5 base 2. What is log 5 base 2? Given y given. So totally log 15 base 2 equal to, we got x plus y. Log 15 base 2, we got x plus y. Okay, in terms of x, of log 15 base 2, in terms of xy, we can write as x plus y. Second one, log 7.5 base 2. Yeah, listen, 7.5 nothing but 15 by 2, right? 15 by 2 base 2. 15 by 2 is nothing but 7.5. So, log 7.5 can be written as 15 by 2. It is like log a by b. Log a by b means log a minus log b. Base is 2, as it is, write down. By which log a by b formula. Log a by b equal to log a minus log b. Okay. Now, again same log 15 base 2. Already we got log 15 base 2 x plus y. Same procedure. If not, write down. Log 15 can be written as 5 into 3 base 2 minus log 2 base 2. Log 2 base 2 value is 1. How? Log a base a 1. So, by this log 2 base 2 also 1 I wrote there. Now, log a into b. Log a into b. Log a plus log b. Log a plus log b. What is that? Base is 2. Base is 2 minus 1. We know that log 5 base is y. Write down y. And log x, log 3 base 2 is x minus 1. By totally we got log 7.5 base 2 is equal to x plus y minus 1. Log 7.5 base 2 equal to x plus y minus 1. Next, another one, log 60 base 2. This is also same process. Log 60 can be written as, listen, 15 4 just 60, right? 15 into 4 equal to 60. Okay, why? Because already we done by 15, so I took as here 15. Log 15 into 4, log a into b. What is log a into b? Log a base 2 plus log b. Log a into b equal to log a plus log b. Log 15 base 2, again the same process. Okay, do log 15 can be written as 3 into 5 base 2 minus plus here log 4 can be written as 2 square base 2. Okay, log a into b, log a plus log b. So, log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2 plus log 2 square, this 2 coming this side, 2 log 2 base 2. Why? Because log a to the power of m nothing but m log a. So, log 2 square nothing but 2 log 2. Okay. Now, log 3 base 2 given x, log 3 base 2 given x plus log 5 base 2 value is y plus 2 into log 2 base 2 is 1. Totally we got x plus y plus 2. Okay, x plus y plus 2. Fourth one is log 6750 base 2. Now, this 6750 can be written as 5 ones are 5, 6 1 remaining, 7 17, 5 3s are 15, 16 17, 2 5 25, 5 5s are 0. Again do with 5, 5 2s are 10, 35, 5 7s are 0. 5 5s are 25, 26, 27, 2 0 give here, 5 4s are 20. Do with 3, 3 1s are 3, 24 remaining, 3 8s are, 3 6s are 18, 3 2s are. Totally we got here 3s are 3, 5s are 3. 3 cube into 5 cube into 2. 6750 is nothing but 3 cube into 5 cube into 2. Okay. Now it can be written as log 3 cube into 5 cube into 2 base 2. Okay. It is like log a into b into c. What is log a into b into c? Log a plus log b plus log c. So log A, that is 3 cube base 2 plus log B 5 cube base 2 plus log C log 2 base 2. It is like log A power m, right? Log A power m means m log A. So 3 log 3 base 2, 3 log 5 base 2 plus log 2 base 2 value 1. Why? Because log A base A equal to 1. Write the formula here. Now 3 log 3 base 2. This log 3 base 2 given x. So 3x. 3 log 5 base 2, that is y. 3y plus 1. Okay. Log 6750 base 2 equal to 3x plus 3y plus 1.